This video, I really want to talk to you about why most people think it's so difficult to get online, especially to put up a video on YouTube. Now, most people are thinking about, oh, what equipment do I need? How expensive that is going to be? Now, I want to let you know that, listen, I'm doing this from an ordinary phone. Or you don't need any complex equipment. You don't need any high-end equipment. All you need is just turn the camera on your phone on and use a talking head video. That is the least that you could start with. Now, when you move on, and now you are getting viewers, you are getting subscribers, you are making monetization, and you are earning all that you need to earn, then you can go ahead and buy any more expensive equipment. All the people need to hear from you is your voice and the advice that you need to get, and then any other thing that they need to hear. The most important thing is your voice. Now, can they hear you? If they can hear you so right, then of course you have a stake in this whole thing called YouTubing. You can be a YouTuber, and I want you to start now, not tomorrow. The time to start is now. See you very soon.